IT problems can derail your business, leading to downtime and lost productivity. Slow internet, software crashes, and forgotten passwords are some of the most common culprits. David Mantlo, CEO of ISTT, puts it this way: rapid IT issue resolution is the key to keeping business operations smooth and customer trust intact. Addressing these problems quickly can prevent bigger disruptions. For slow internet, restart your router or run malware scans to ensure your network is clear. Software crashes often occur due to outdated systems. Keeping your software up to date and performing routine system checks can help maintain stability. And for forgotten passwords, a password manager and strong reset policies can save you time. Implementing these simple solutions can save your business from costly downtime and frustration. Staying proactive with IT management and getting help when needed ensures your business stays on track. With the right support, you can avoid the common pitfalls that slow down productivity and damage your reputation. Keep your systems efficient and your team productive with fast, reliable IT support. To learn more, check out our latest blog for a full guide and make sure to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist for easy access.